Oh my goodness, we are back. Merry Christmas, you guys. Today we are filming I think it's the 8th what I got for Christmas video that I've ever made on this channel. Obviously, we gotta stick along with the tradition. If you are interested in doing a little bit of shopping or exchanges or returns, I'm gonna try to link as many things as I show in this video down below in the description box. I feel like this video might be kind of long, so we're just gonna hop into our quick disclaimer that everybody and everybody's family does Christmas so differently. So I'm not making this video to brag or to show off. I am so incredibly grateful for all the people in my life who were thoughtful enough to give me gifts, and my love language is gift giving, so I give a ton of gifts for Christmas, and it's kind of turned into a little bit of craziness, and I got a lot of wonderful, amazing things that I'm extremely grateful for. We're gonna start with the first gift of Christmas, which are these amazing pajamas that I'm wearing. My mom, I don't know how she does it, but for another year in a row, she was able to score a pair of pajamas with skiers on it. These actually say Breckenridge, Colorado. I've got Aspen on here, Park City, Utah, which I've skied at, and a bunch of little skiers and mountains. Let's see if I can show you. Like, it just says all over the cute little destinations, and they're super stretchy and soft. They're also on sale right now, so if you need a pair of comfy pajamas, I'm gonna link these down below. Thank you so much, Mom. You're amazing. And I also got this hat for Christmas, and I'm having a bad hair day, so it just thought I completed the look. You guys know it's time for the stocking. We're gonna do the power speed mode of what Santa got me in my stocking. That is everything I got. It was very themed on moisturizing my hands and getting my chapped lips from being way less chapped. So thank you, Santa, for picking up on my hints. I need chapstick in every ski jacket and bag, and same with lotion, because I just wash my hands a ton. We're gonna start with the gifts that my friends actually picked out for me. The first gift that I opened this year was from my friend Scout. She got me this really cool vintage skiing book. This has been on my list. Like, I don't know how she knew I wanted this. She also comes over a lot, and we're constantly having little house parties. So she knows that I need the fancy bar spoon. This is a super tall spoon so that when you're making cocktails, you can mix them together. And then on the base, there's actually a muddler. So convenient, because my favorite drink is a mojito. Thank you so much for this, Scout. It's from Miss Katie Mack. She got me the cutest ornament. This is a little piggy, and it has skis and poles. I'm really excited to hang this on the Christmas tree next year. I thought my mom actually helped give her a hint of what to get me, because when I opened this, I was like, oh my god, this exact item was on my wish list, but my mom never texted her, so it made the gift just a million times better that she happened to pick out. This is exactly what I wanted for Christmas. She got me this beautiful Anthropology egg crate in this sage and white color. I just love the design of it, and I'm trying to make my fridge really organized and pretty this year. She also got me 2 of the berry bowls to match, but I just think these are so nice because you can actually use them as a colander. If you're gonna wash fruit, you could put them on the counter. You could use them as a part of a serving dish. Thank you so much, Katie. I'm really excited about this. My amazing friend Leah, she got me a Skims set. This is a black long sleeve t-shirt, and it has buttons down the front and then the matching Skims shorts. So thank you so much, Leah. This is so soft, and this is like my first pair of Skims things. My friends Jason and Maddie got me an incredibly thoughtful gift. First, they got me this really cute miniature candle. It's blueberry and thyme, and it smells really good. It's from a local plant shop. Some adorable Madewell socks, and these actually have little tennis rackets on the top of them, which I think is too cute because I do love to play tennis. They got me this little ornament that says warm and cozy, and then this is the most thoughtful gift ever. Jason and Maddie and I go to Salt and Straw all the time to try the new flavors. We're literally obsessed with ice cream. We go pretty much every month. It's a little certificate, and it says Kiara Scoop Club. This certificate is good for at least 1 scoop of ice cream each month with Jason and Maddie at participating locations. Maddie and Jason and I are gonna have a blast next year trying out all the flavors either at Salt and Straw, or there's some other ice cream shops in Portland that I'm dying to try. My friend Erica got me a beautiful glass of wine, and it had a mountain on it, and she got me this really cute shirt. It says Mount Hood PDX Oregon. It's from Colombia, and she knows that I'm trying to build my Oregonian wardrobe for like hiking and adventuring. So thank you so much, Erica. The last gift that I received from my friends is a set from my wonderful old roommate, Miss Taylor Wan. She got me this gorgeous plum set from Viore. This is like a little half zip pullover. When I saw these pants, I literally almost cried. I was like, Taylor, this is so me. These pants are high-waisted sweats, and then they have like a little bit of a flare at the bottom, and they open up like this. They're so cute and cozy. cozy. I could see myself wearing this literally all winter after skiing, and I just want to like change into something cozy, but that's also cute. Thank you so much, Taylor. That was so thoughtful of you. I tried to categorize everything into sections, so we're gonna move on to the book section. The first book I got is from my uncle Dana. It's called Chuck Palahniuk, all about Portland, Oregon, and some history like that, and he wrote me this cute little note about the book, so I'm excited to read it. It's like the perfect size. And then he also got me this book called The First Year Nurse, Advice on Working with Doctors, Prioritizing Care, and Time Management. This is just gonna be really helpful and motivating for me before I start my first job. I feel like I have been so busy lately. My nursing brain hasn't been fully used. As I'm getting more into continually applying to jobs and stuff, I'm gonna need this book to just remind me of some important points that will hopefully help make me the best nurse possible. This book sounds so interesting. It's called Powder Days, Ski Bums, Ski Towns, and the Future of Chasing Snow. It's written by an avid skier who travels everywhere. She talks about the history of skiing and how skiing will be affected by climate change and just a bunch of different really cool stories. So this will be a great winter read. Thank you so much, Mac. The sweetest gift ever. This was such a surprise. My dad is very good at gift giving, and first of all, he found this tiny book with a pig on it, and pigs are my favorite animal of all time. It's called It's the Little Things, The Pocket Pig's Guide to Living Your Best Life, and every single page has a pig and then a cute little quote or a story. So this one says, the joy of life comes from our encounters with new experiences, and it's a little pig in a hot air balloon. This book was wrapped with some of these things, which are little things that make you smile. It's hard to get my car washed because my car gets very dirty driving to the mountain all the time. 4 of these frosty cards, and if you guys haven't heard of these, Wendy's does this every single year where I think it's about $2, and the $2 actually gets donated to charity, and when you spend that you get a tiny little card shaped like a frosty. And what this is basically a season pass that you put on your keychain, and for the entire year of 2023 you can take it to a Wendy's and get a free junior frosty. He gave me 4 of them so I can go give some to some of my friends and make them smile. Okay, we're gonna do some of the beauty gifts. I got a huge pack of these clear claw clips. Nurses are wearing these all the time, and it's great because I have really thick hair and it hurts to have my hair in a ponytail all day. My uncle also got me a pair of toe separators. For some reason, I don't have any toe separators, and another clear nail polish. This is the Sèche Vite, if I'm saying that right. Honestly, it was some of the best nail polish I've ever tried. He also got me a miniature little Clinique moisturizer. This is just great to have in my travel bag. My aunt got me the Benefit Gimme Brow. This is such good brow stuff. I love this one and the Glossier Boy Brow. My mom hooked it up with the Costco pack of my favorite razors. Obviously a necessity, and these things are expensive, so thank you, Mom. Okay, we're moving on to the random gifts that don't really fit into a category. I got this awesome LED light with a little cloud and a rainbow from my uncle. I got 2 things of jewelry. This is actually a pair of earrings from Madewell, and they kind of look like little skis, so that's what they reminded my mom of, and I always need more earrings, and I have sensitive ears, so Madewell makes some really good stuff. My uncle got me this necklace. It has a K on it. I got a set of candles. These are pink ones, and they're super squiggly and fun. And my other uncle got me a ski scraper. This is always needed for coaching. Another camera chip. You can never have too many of these. This is my favorite one, and I needed this for my big DSLR camera. My dad is so sweet. He got me a miniature jelly cat. This is actually an avocado. If you guys watch my videos a lot, you see I have the big avocado that sits on my bed. Well, this is my travel sized avocado. It's so I never have to travel alone. I just thought it was so thoughtful, and it has a little beanie on, of course. My dad also got me the Brooklyn sleep mask. This is the green one. It's in a sage color. My new apartment is relatively bright at night, even with my shades down, so it makes it kind of hard for me to fall asleep. Thank you so much, Dad, for helping facilitate my sleeping needs. My uncle got me a pair of ski goggles. These are some that I found on the internet. They weren't crazy expensive, but they have rose-colored lenses, and I actually use these for night skiing because we do training at night. And these are just Smith ones. Very versatile goggles. My mom got me 4 replacement hand towels. These are the towels that I love from Target so much. These are so fluffy though, and mine, I've had them for like 3.5 years, and they've just kind of been through a lot, and they're all snagged. Got some fresh ones. Thank you so much, Mom. I needed these so badly. This gift was such a surprise. Some of these things were for my birthday, but I actually didn't unwrap any presents on my birthday because I was really busy at that time. So this is one of those gifts that was saved for my birthday, but I opened it on Christmas. I got an inflatable flying pig floaty for the summertime. The cutest pig I have literally ever seen. I'm so excited to use this, and it was just a very me gift. So thank you so much, Dad. Let's move on to the clothing category. First, we're gonna start with the socks. I got a lot. Everyday socks, fashion socks, ski socks, and hiking socks. My mom got me 2 sets of scrubs. They're both figs, and I got this gorgeous green color, and then I got the bottoms to go with it, and they have an orange tie, which I think is really fun. And then she got me this mauve color, which is stunning. Yeah, these are the high-waisted cargo ones, and then the other ones are the high-waisted Yala pant, which also are really great because I love these, and they have a zipper in them, which fits my phone and is very convenient. I got this cute Adidas pullover from the Adidas employee store. The hat, of course. We also went to the Columbia employee store and we got this vest, this gorgeous blue color. It's by Mountain Hardwear. It's really thick and warm. I've been super into vests, especially for layering when I'm working at the mountain because I get cold pretty easily when I'm standing out there. So I'm gonna be wearing this a ton, and I love that it has zippered pockets. This is another gift that was supposed to come for my birthday, but it didn't come in time. This is a green fuzzy vest, but this is from Aritzia, so it's a little bit more fashiony. Like, I'm not maybe gonna take this one up to the mountain. My mom got me this gorgeous sweater from Madewell. It's in this bright blue color, and this sweater is so thick and soft. It literally goes with everything. It's a nice basic, but it's still like a bold color that looks really pretty on. I got this green long sleeve shirt from Aritzia. This is also a really thick long sleeves. My mom got me this shirt. To go with what my dad got me is this adorable Abercrombie jacket. It's super thick and cozy. It's a green and white plaid, and it looks really cute on with jeans. My mom got me two shirts to wear under all my ski stuff. So these are the REI brand, and I had never actually felt these. I pretty much wear all the Lululemon long sleeves, but I don't have that many, and because I wear them and wash them so much and also use them for nursing, they're getting pretty trashed. So I got some new colors of these long sleeves. They're really soft on, and I'm really impressed with the quality of these. So she got them on sale. If you're looking for some new stuff to wear under your ski stuff, these are the REI Co-op long sleeves. Of course, my mom is obsessed with finding me anything ski related. So this is a Madewell graphic tee. It has two little skiers racing down the mountain in a tuck. This was a really sneaky present that I'm very impressed that my mom was able to get without me noticing at all. When we went to Hawaii, I saw this comfort color shirt and I just thought it was cute and fun and reminded me of the trip. I love like oversized long sleeves like this. She got it for me without me noticing and was able to hide it under the wheel of the tire because the car was locked. Thank you, Mom. I'm very impressed with your sneaky skills on that one. This was another Columbia employee store find. Mountain Hardwear plaid shirt. It's really warm and just great for the mountain and everyday use. This is like a very Portland type of thing that I'll probably have for a long time, so thank you, Mom. My mom got this for me probably 7 years ago, and she lost it in our house, but this year she found it and figured she might as well give it to me. It's a black and white Lululemon. It's the Define jacket, classic Lululemon thing, but I picked this out like 7 years ago, so it's just funny to open it, and it's really cute, and I'll definitely wear it. I got a pair of jeans. These are from Brass Plum. I just really liked the cut of them, and I have no ripped jeans. We're now on to the kitchen stuff. My mom got me two of these little Anthropology mugs. One is a K and one's a G. This one says cultivate kindness often, and this one says grateful for every little thing. My aunt got me some Penzeys chili powder in medium hot. I'm really on a spice kick, so gotta spice up our food a little. My uncle got me two really practical gifts. This is a pizza slicer. I've never owned a pizza slicer, and then I have had this on my Christmas list for probably 5 years. It's the OXO brown sugar saver. So it's this little puck that you put in your brown sugar container, and it's supposed to prevent it from going hard so quickly. I got some chili roasted pistachios, a Houdini wine stopper, A1 sauce because I'm literally addicted to this stuff, Hydro Flask, and it has a twist top so that I can put coffee in it for work or for going to the mountain. Also for work, my dad got me the Bentgo box. This is the stackable lunch box, and I love this stuff because you cut down on your use of all the little plastic bags and cheap stuff. It's also microwave safe, which is amazing. I just thought it was a nice color, and I'll probably use this a lot because I'm really into packing my own lunch. The other exciting gift that my dad got, this was such a surprise for me. I didn't know that Doug was picking up on this, but I really wanted the organized fridge, like I said, and he was able to find at Home Goods these stackable fridge drawers, and it comes with a pen inside so you can actually label what's inside of here. My friend Katie's mom got me the sweetest gift. This is so thoughtful. She knows how much I love pigs, and she brought these all the way back from New York. It's a mac and cheese set from Pastabilities, and all the pasta in here is farm animals and pigs. Thank you, Barb. Last cooking gift that I got that I am so excited to receive, and one of my big gifts, a set of knives. The most adulting gift. I think 5 of my friends that I know also got knife blocks for Christmas. This is the Costco one. It's called Kangson. I love them because all of the handles are white, so they're a really gorgeous set of knives, and it comes with kitchen shears and a set of 4 steak knives all in a block. I cannot wait to put this on the counter of my new apartment, finally be able to have sharp knives, because I'm telling you, I have $10 knives from Home Goods. We're at the point now that they barely cut an avocado. Doug, this is so needed. Thank you. I'm very excited. We got 2 more categories left. shoes, and then a couple of the big gifts. This looks like a lot of things. Half of these I received for my birthday, but my mom just wrapped them up for Christmas because I didn't unwrap anything. I got these 2 pairs of Adidas tennis shoes. They're actually the same shoe. So this one has purple and green on it. Just a really cute shoe to have with jeans. And then this pair is to die for. It's probably the most me shoe that I've ever seen. These things are so stinking cute. They're like a suede. These are not good for the rain. I will not be wearing these this winter very much, but so cute for the spring and summer. Are you kidding me? They also have memory foam on the bottom of them. The last pair that I got for my birthday, but we also had to exchange them and stuff, so my mom just wrapped them for Christmas, are a pair of Sorel boots. I have really short old Sorels that are like 12 years old, and they're kind of barely making it, and I actually needed some tall ones for when it really snows. These things are so warm. This is meant for business. To go with this, I didn't bring them here because they're at my parents' house, but my dad got me a set of snowshoes. Very excited to have snowshoes and just be able to like go out and explore and see so many different places in the Mount Hood National Forest because it's such a gorgeous area. Now for actual Christmas, the gifts are falling. I wanted Hoka's so badly because all the nurses are wearing the Hoka's and they're very comfortable shoes. I wanted to join the Hoka crowd. Cream with orange laces with a little bit of a purple accent. If you are getting Hoka's, I would recommend sizing down a half size if you have a more narrow foot, because these fit me perfectly, but I'm normally a size 8, and I actually got these in a 7.5. Same with the Adidas shoes, because Adidas to me always runs a half size too big. And then for working out, my mom shopped so ahead of time. She shopped literally the Nordstrom anniversary sale in the summer. These are the On Running tennis shoes. They're super lightweight and they're in black, but she has the same ones and she says they're so comfortable and that I'm going to love them. We're down to the final 4 items. My mom got me from the Columbia employee store this gorgeous mountain hardware jacket. It has a hood, which is the #1 thing I need. I somehow don't have enough jackets with hoods in Oregon, and I don't like to use an umbrella. It's just not really a Pacific Northwest thing. So I need a hood just to throw on if it starts pouring rain. And this is really lightweight and it's very packable. Super practical gift. Thank you, Mom. It stopped recording, but we're almost done. My amazing aunt got me the new AirPod Pros. I am so excited to receive this gift because my AirPods have been missing because of a long story for almost an entire year, and I've been using my Beat headphones from 2016 when I got them for free with my computer. I've been working out in them and they're disintegrating. Like literally the fabric is coming off. They're very smart compared to the other AirPods that I had. I just need to get a case for them. If you have a case that you really like for your AirPods, let me know down below because I'm in desperate need of getting a case before I scratch them or lose them or do anything. Thank you, Marley. You're the absolute best. So the final 2 gifts I got for Christmas, my parents were literally fighting to see which gift was better because my mom didn't know what my dad got me. I opened my mom's first, which is a really much needed gift. She got me this Patagonia puffer. It's just the classic hooded Patagonia. I actually have this jacket. Mine is over 10 years old. I wore it to the death. All of the puff is gone. We've sent it to Patagonia 3 different times to get it repaired. And the truth is I just wore it out. And when I'm going to the mountain, carrying skis and stuff, it just kind of gets torn apart. So it's on its last leg. It's literally gray. It's so worn out. So we got upgraded. Thank you, Mom. Doug. He's just so smart. One day we were shopping at Cabela's and we went a little crazy in Sunglass Hut and we were trying on some cool shades because when I'm coaching on race days, I don't actually wear goggles and a helmet. I just wear a beanie and sunglasses because I make like 2 runs on a race day. I need a pair of cool sunglasses because I have like $10 ones from Urban Outfitters. Doug got me a pair of Oakley sunglasses. I've never really had a pair of super nice sunglasses. You guys, I don't know if you're ready for this. These things are so cool. They're meant for the snow, so it's gonna help cut down on all the glare. And then they also come around on the side. Just the cut of them is so stinking cool. I feel like such a badass. Doug, thank you for making my Christmas, and everyone else who got me such sweet, thoughtful gifts. In case you're wondering, these are the Oakley Sutro S in matte navy with prism sapphire lenses. I'll try to link them down below. This is probably the last video that I will post in 2022, which is crazy. We've gone through so much this year, from graduating nursing school and keeping up with coaching and then moving back to this wonderful apartment. You guys are probably getting a little sneak peek of me trying to move around all the furniture. There's more coming in the apartment decorating moving vlogs, but I had to get this video up for you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel throughout this year, just leaving me such sweet, genuine comments. I've kind of been going through it. I'll talk about that that at some point with the whole job search thing, but it's been a journey and we're still trying to keep our heads up and just enjoy this precious time of being with people who I really care about and working really hard coaching for these wonderful kids. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, whatever you celebrate. I hope you had a wonderful day. And today's question of the day is going to be, what is the best gift that you gave this year? And it doesn't even have to be something physical. It could be something that you did for someone else. Let me know down below. I love you guys so incredibly much. I will see you in 2023. Bye!
It's all true. Oh, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate